Hello dear agents. Today we'll be talking about CSCVR, the Employees Portal. But first, let's answer the question, what is CSCVR? CSCVR is an online employee engagement platform that provides employees with access to helpful company content, self-service functionality, live chat with admins and other agents, and more. In this video, you will learn about the CSCVR features you'll be using on a daily basis. Log in to CSCVR. Go to app.cscvr.com. Enter your email or username and your password. From the location drop-down menu, select the office branch you are working your shift from. Click on Login. Once you're logged in, a box will pop up asking you to share your screen. Select Entire Screen, then click on Share. Now that you logged in and shared your screen, let's navigate the CSCVR tools you are going to use. Forum page. The forum page is used by admins and agents to post work and non-work related announcements, with the ability to interact with each other. Group meeting. This feature is used for admins with agents meetings. Please note that only an admin can start a meeting on CSCVR. Facilities. From this page, you will be able to take your break when you click on the Start Break button. In addition, you can see how much time you spent on breaks during a day and how much time remained from your break. Chat. In chat, you will be able to communicate with your admins and colleagues. That can be done privately through direct messages or on your department's group chat. You must leave the chat open during your shift. Frequently asked questions. This page has the answers to the frequently asked questions by CSC employees. CSCVR direct links. AS, Agent Source. When you click on AS, Agent Source will open on a new tab, and this way you can access the scripts you'll be using. RS, RVC System. When you click on RS, RVC System will open on a new tab, and this way you can access the company's dialing system. Each employee must log in to CSCVR at the beginning of their shift and log out at the end. This way, the system will accurately save your weekly hours. Now, you are ready to start your shift. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask your admin.